Hello friend, this is Umang Sharma and in this video I'm going to explain about experiment number 2. First I'm going to open my experiment number 2. So this is I will tell you how why this is automatically start this now and this is not because I give some property. So I'm going to first tell about experiments. So this is my whole HTML, this is my head body. And body you can see this is my head tag. Here I am using we need one image and one data. So here I am putting my center for centering image source. I am putting for img src for giving it. So this you can see this image and I am giving my header. After that we have one table. This is my whole table here. We have one row and I have four data. So first this is my data video and here some link I am giving and this is my music course and this is my input. Here I am placeholder giving as search. You can see we have table body. Yes, and here yes, and for style I'm giving center for everyone. Then we have here this is my table. In this table I'm dividing into two part. Here we have one and second. In first table I am giving my video. For giving video we have this video control. It will provide you all the content, play music and sound button. This is you can see this is provided by our controls. You can see this is provided by this control here and this is my source. And here for second for audio you can see here we have one audio and this is autoplay. So for that thing we I am giving here audio control autoplay and loop. It is for looping again and width. I am giving width what I need and style for center. And after that I am giving my source of that video. Yes. And then after that we have one more table. This thing. This is my table. This data I am dividing into three part. One, two, three. I'm thinking like that. This is my first column, second column, third column. For everything I am giving as a central. This is my table body. In my table body, I have first row. I have three data. I already told this is my contact us, and here I am giving for form action. When I will click, it goes to experiment2.html. This is a method by get. After that, I am giving my legends field set legends for sign up and then for taking value I'm giving as input type username placeholder and yes, and for second this is my label again username here and password. This is my again input for submit button. It's for submit button. Yes, and this is for contact us. I'm giving second row data table data as contact us heading. Then in paragraph I'm giving all my detail. In paragraph my mail ID and then I'm giving anchor tag for my mail ID. And this is my you can see it I'm using for showing this map. I'm using my iframe I'm giving source. This is Google map. I'm giving this and allow full screen width I'm giving 500 and height I'm giving this. So this is about my first page and now I'm going to give some password. So it's go to my second page. This is my second page. Here I am using personal detail. For taking personal detail, it is my legends. And for taking input, I need to give input type. Here my form. This is my submit. That is my heading. Full set. Here we have legend for personal detail. It is divided into table. This is my have table. For everything I am giving as a table one. So I am putting my data as a first is my table name and second I am giving as a my user. Here we need to give input type equal to placeholder. Same for we need to give for middle, last name, first name. For here we need to give type as a date. You can see this we need to give type equal to date. And here we need to give as a number and for that we can give our minimum and maximum. Yes. Radio button. This is for radio button. I'm giving radio name gender value. This name should be Same for making one group. So mail is by default check. That's why I'm using my check. And after that, we have progress bar value. I'm giving 20% complete maximum 100, and we need to close my progress bar. Same we are using for address. We need to use our background. This is my second. We'll set table again. As a table, I did my table body, label my table, and here we need to give text area. Same here we can give city as a our input type text. Here we can give number. Here only 6 number. Then we need to give our length, zip code, size. We need to give. So we can give up to 6. We can give up to. Then you have contact information. This is again progress, past progress information, then legends, telephone type equal to tell, we need to give type equal to tell, mail ID we need to give type equal to email, website we need to give type as the websites. Then we need to give progress 60% out of 100%. After that, I'm making here one table. In table we have qualification. Here is collapse body is not collapse. Here you can say not collapse. Here we have table. This is under my legend of education. Attach your reason for that is for reason application. Yeah, education detail legends that I told, and then table. This everything I am putting as a table. This is my checkbox. For checkbox we have a type. This is my education body, and first row I am giving, and second row we need to give first checkbox. So checkbox we have type equal to checkbox name option one value, for giving value 10, and check. By default it is check. So by default same here I need to give, and then here we need to give for second. We have input type text placeholder I am giving, and here for starting we have, because we making one that option, so we need to give select option. So you can see all the options here. Yes, you can see we can fill, and here we need to type equal to date. So it will take every time. Again type equal to date, and here for percentage we giving as a number. This thing I did for my all table. Then again progress bar, again I'm making the legends. Here I am giving not legends. Here I am giving my div color I am giving, and for choosing my box I am giving here type equal to that attach, and here I am giving accept doc.pdf only for uh, that document and PDF file label. Then we have input check, then detail and legend, and last again progress bar. That's all for my second experiment. I hope you understand. And last for button, when I will click it goes to some PHP and we need to give in context wherein we need to use as an action. So here is nothing. So because in experiment we need to explain about how this thing did. I hope you understand. Thank you.